Hi, I'm Dan from ACTIS Installation. I'm going to show you how to install Boostar Hybrid Roof. Boostar Hybrid Roof is a breathable roof underlay with built-in thermal performance. Remove the product from the packaging. Boostar Hybrid Roof should be installed with a copper-coloured film facing downwards and the black, watertight, breathable membrane facing upwards. The product is stapled along the first rafter. It is then rolled out and stapled halfway along. Pull taut and staple at the end rafter. Then staple at each rafter in between at 100mm centres. Ensure Boostar Hybrid Roof overlaps the eave support system. Seal using the built-in self-adhesive lap to help prevent air infiltration and ensure water runoff. Fix 25mm counter battens in line with the rafter before the tile battens. Overlap Boostar Hybrid Roof with the next layer of the product. Cut excess product along the rafter line using an ACTIS cutter. Boostar Hybrid Roof has a 100mm lap with built-in self-adhesive tape. Peel back the paper and seal. Vertical join should be overlapped by 100mm, stapled and sealed with the recommended ACTIS tape before counterbattening.